Let's talk about chunking data, which is another method that allows you to efficiently handle large datasets in Laravel. Laravel also offers the paginate method, which we will cover later on, but the paginate method is used for displaying data in a paginated format on a web page. But it retrieves all the data at once, and then it breaks the data into pages. This can be inefficient when working with very large datasets. The chunk method, on the other hand, retrieves data in smaller, more manageable chunks, rather than getting all the data and chunking it afterwards. This approach is much more efficient when working with large datasets, as it avoids retrieving all data at once. This can make a big difference in terms of performance and resource usage. Now let's refactor our query a little bit. Let's delete what we have, and let's define a new variable named posts, and let's set it equal to the db, table, where the table will be posts. We're going to order it by the ID column, and whenever you want to chunk data, you need to chain the chunk method to it. Now the chunk method accepts two arguments: the number of rows to retrieve per chunk, and the callback function that processes each chunk. Let's say that we want to retrieve 100 posts per chunk, meaning that if you have a table of 1 million rows, the chunk method will retrieve the data in chunks of 150 rows per time. And we then need to add a callback function, so comma function, parentheses, curly braces. Now the callback function receives each chunk of data as its argument. So every 150 post chunks will be set equal to a variable named posts. Once the callback function has processed the first 150 chunks, the chunk method moves on to the next chunk until all the data has been retrieved and processed. Using the callback function allows you to work with each chunk of data separately, which can be useful for things like performing calculations, filtering data, or transferring the data into a different format. So what we could do is basically add a for each loop inside our chunk method, and say that we want to loop over the posts as one single post. Then inside our loop we can basically add an array where we output the post title. I have refreshed the browser behind the scenes, and inside array you can see that it has outputted all titles as a string. Now on the other hand, let's remove our array and let's go outside of a query where we can array our variable posts. And behind the scenes I have refreshed the browser, and you can see that it basically returns nothing, passing each chunk to a callback function for processing, which is then responsible for handling the data in chunks as needed.